My DeWalt variable speed scroll saw is my pride and joy and my favorite tool in my shop. But since moving to the salty air, it's not looking so good. So I headed to a couple layers of CLR and some soft grit sandpaper to see if I could restore it back to its original look. Since it came out so well, I decided to use some finishing paste to be able to buff it in the end. And now that I look at it, it looks better than it did when I first got it. The progress after a little bit of elbow grease was totally worth it. Check out these before and afters.